Today I'm going to show you how to replace a lock on a garage door. Never done anything like this before, but it couldn't be too hard, could it? We will see. I'll be replacing that handle also. Okay, this is all the hardware that I'm going to be using. This lock set is unlike anything I've ever seen. It makes sense. This is the latch part. It goes inside of here. And there's a rope that pulls it open. Here are the ropes, there's two of them. There's the handle. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is get that old assembly off of there. Just this. Goes inside this. This seal work. The hard part is the whole opening and closing the door to get this done. I gotta see if this is even gonna go into the door right. So the holes in the garage door are too small. So now I need to drill them. Now the handle is on the outside. We're going to tighten it up with the bracket that came with the kit. That should be good enough. Let's measure it with my hand. That's where it needs to be, on both sides. Turn it the other way. Feel let you. Yeah, like that. That's it.